Hello. So we are currently working on a series of miniature sets to stage a photo shoot of slugs to give to my brother-in-law for like maybe a Christmas present, probably a birthday present, because his birthday's in July and I don't really want to wait till Christmas to give him this. So we have to build these sets like pretty quickly. We already started working on the 4th of July one. Now I'm also starting to work on the Easter one. So I've started to buy like a couple things for the Easter set. First, I got this like little set of table and chairs. And then I also got a like teacup set, and I'm planning on having it be used as like a way for the little slugs to dye Easter eggs because I think that would be so cute. So what I've done so far is I added glue to the teacups and mixed in some food dye so like we could pretend it was like them dyeing eggs. And then I made a bunch of eggs out of clay, which was probably the easiest like polymer clay project I've done so far. But here's what our set is currently looking like. I'm not really sure what else we want to add to this set. I have a couple ideas of like making little Easter baskets, but I feel like the yard is still really empty and I don't really know what else we want to add to it. I was thinking about doing the 4th of July like folding chairs, but that doesn't really make sense for Easter because I don't know about you guys, but where I am, Easter could be like 30 degrees still and no one is really wanting to hang out in their lawn in like 30-degree weather. So I don't know if we want to do like more gardening stuff. So they're like doing the prep for the gardening season. I had this idea to make a couple like tulips or flowers out of like clay. I did make the tulip and that one turned out like pretty good. The second attempt turned out pretty good, but I'm realizing now like a lot of the flowers that I was planning to make, especially the tulips, were just going to be like too big for the size of the flower bed that I made. So I don't know if we want to try paper flowers instead or still make some clay flowers and just put them in like little pots instead, because that could be a good way to like fill up the space. This is just a quick update on where we're at with the Easter set. Pretty soon we're gonna have to start building our miniature house, and I feel like that is going to be quite a struggle.